Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the Dyson Corrale Hair Straightener, a product that promises to revolutionize how we straighten our hair. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Dyson Corrale Hair Straightener is a premium, cord-free straightener designed to deliver salon-quality results without the hassle of cords. It's packed with some seriously cool features, including intelligent heat control that adjusts to your hair's thickness and texture. Plus, the materials, aluminum, ceramic, and polycarbonate, speak to a thoughtful and durable design. It's tailored for straight hair, but that doesn't mean it can't be used on various hair types with the right adjustments. Now let's get into my experience using it. First off, I love the fact that it's cord-free. It gives you so much freedom to move around, and honestly, no more tripping over cables. Plus, it's not just the convenience that stands out. The Corrale is engineered to perform just as well as a traditional corded straightener, maybe even better. I tested it on several hair textures, and the intelligent heat control really seems to adapt. My hair felt smoother, shinier, and way less frizzy. No more tugging or pulling at strands, which is a game changer for me. On the downside, the Dyson Corrale is definitely an investment. While it's packed with features, its price tag might not be for everyone. It doesn't necessarily beat traditional models in every aspect, especially when it comes to heat up time and battery life, which can be a concern if you're always in a rush. That said, if you're someone who's constantly battling with frizz or heat damage, the Corrale could really be worth it. The way it adapts to your hair, especially on thicker or textured hair, is impressive. Plus, the cord-free feature is a total win for flexibility. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's a mixed bag. Yes, the quality is there, but for the price, there are alternatives that get the job done, though not with quite the same level of performance and flexibility. If you're someone who uses a straightener every single day and is looking for longevity and efficiency, it could be a great fit. But if you don't use one often, you might find cheaper options that still deliver good results. As for build quality, Dyson definitely didn't cut corners. The combination of aluminum, ceramic, and polycarbonate feels solid and premium. You can tell this is a product built to last. However, there's a trade-off in weight. This straightener is a bit heavier than most, but it's sturdy and it feels built to withstand frequent use. Now, I didn't need to reach out to customer support, but Dyson has a great reputation for being responsive. You know, they're a brand that takes customer service seriously, so you'd be well taken care of in case you ran into any issues. For those of you on the hunt for something more budget-friendly, there are certainly alternatives out there that still do the job. Something like the GHD Platinum Plus or the Remington Pro 1-inch can give you similar results, though they might lack some of the advanced technology Dyson offers, like the intelligent heat control. In conclusion, the Dyson Corrale Hair Straightener is impressive, offering premium features that make it stand out. If you're someone who straightens their hair regularly and values efficiency, it's definitely worth considering. However, for those of you on a tighter budget or who only straighten occasionally, you might find similar performance in more affordable options. If this review was helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried the Dyson Corrale or have any thoughts, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.